Are you curious about how to access El Paso County court records without spending a single dime? Well, stick around, because in this explainer, we're going to unravel the secrets to finding these documents effortlessly online. Whether you're conducting a personal background check, diving deep into your family's genealogical history, or maybe just checking in on a local civil dispute, getting your hands on public court records absolutely shouldn't require an expensive law degree or spending endless hours waiting in line down at the courthouse. Today, we're demystifying the whole shebang and showing you exactly where to look. Now, you might be wondering, why even bother navigating the El Paso County court system in the first place? Well, these public documents are incredibly important. Honestly, they form the absolute backbone of local legal transparency. But let's be real for a second. Finding them can often feel like trying to solve a confusing bureaucratic puzzle while blindfolded. The sheer volume of data, split across all these different courts, clerks, and online systems, it can easily overwhelm anyone just trying to find a single, simple document. But here's the good news. By understanding the underlying structure of the system, we can turn that giant puzzle into a straightforward, totally searchable roadmap. Okay, let's dive straight into this. We've got a 5-step roadmap designed to take you from a beginner to a highly efficient legal researcher. We'll start with a quick intro to court records, explore the official online search portals, walk through a step-by-step search guide, go over some tips for maximum efficiency, and finally, tackle troubleshooting and privacy guidelines. Section 1. Intro to Court Records. Here's a quick fact for you. Under Texas Government Code, Chapter 552, you are actually guaranteed the right to access government records. So remember, you aren't asking for a favor here. You're exercising your legal right to know exactly what's happening within your local judicial system. So the absolutely crucial point here is knowing exactly who holds what. El Paso County essentially splits its records between two main offices. You've got the district clerk, Norma Favela Barcelo, who is the custodian for the heavy-hitting cases. We're talking felonies, high-value civil litigation, and family law matters. Meanwhile, the county clerk, Delia Briones, manages the everyday local matters like misdemeanors, probate, small civil disputes, and real property records. Knowing whether your record is, say, a felony or a misdemeanor tells you exactly whose digital filing cabinet you need to open. Moving right along to Section 2, Official Online Search Portals. Today, El Paso County relies on interconnected databases, primarily using a really robust case management platform called Odyssey, which is developed by Tyler Technologies. And this brilliantly illustrates how you absolutely must choose the right portal before you even begin typing a name. It's kind of like picking the right tool from a toolbox. For most of your standard needs, felonies, misdemeanors, civil, family, and probate cases, the Odyssey Public Access Portal is your go-to. But if you need to search the actual text inside a document, you want Research TX. Looking for a traffic ticket? Hit up the Municipal Court Portal. Tracking historic land deeds from before 1963? Head straight over to CoFile Quick Links. Taking a second to select the right tool right off the bat will save you endless frustration. Which brings us to Section 3, our step-by-step search guide. Let's walk through exactly how to retrieve a case history using that Odyssey portal. It's practically foolproof if you just follow these sequential steps. Step 1. Select your database area. That'll be either criminal or the civil, family, and probate section. Step 2. Use the search by menu. You can search by a person's name, the exact case number, or even the attorney. Step 3. Just enter your specific search parameters and hit that search button. Finally, Step 4. When your results pop up, simply click the blue case number hyperlink. That opens up the entire docket history, letting you view court dates, judge assignments, and final dispositions. Super easy, right? Let's move on and see how this builds in Section 4, Tips for Maximum Efficiency. We're going from basic navigation to insider secrets that are going to save you massive amounts of research time. Okay, you're going to love this. The SoundX tool is an absolute lifesaver when you aren't entirely sure of the exact spelling of someone's name. Say you're looking for the name Gonzalez. Is it with an S at the end or a Z? SoundX actually performs a phonetic search, meaning it looks for names that simply sound similar to what you typed. This brilliantly captures all those slight typos, variations, and misspellings that would normally cause a standard search to come up completely empty. Here's another incredibly powerful insider tip for you. Advanced wildcard searching. If you only have partial information, you can actually use an asterisk symbol at the end of a search string to broaden your results. For example, typing SMIT asterisk will bring up Smith, Smithson, and Smithers. But, and this is a big but, to keep the servers from crashing, the system enforces safety limits. You require at least 1 character before using a wildcard for a name and a minimum of 4 characters if you're trying to wildcard a case number. Master the asterisk trick, and I promise you'll find what you're looking for so much faster.
All right, shifting gears to Section 5, troubleshooting and privacy guidelines.
Let's be real, no system is perfect, and you're probably going to run into a few common issues. The Odyssey portal frequently experiences system slowness simply due to high traffic volume. You might also bump into some pretty annoying capture prompts that restrict heavy use. So, what's the actionable troubleshooting advice here? Remember that there are actual human beings behind these systems. If intermittent disruptions are blocking your online search, you can always just pick up the phone. Call the help desk at 915-273-3301 or contact the district or county clerk's offices directly. They can provide extensive record details if the digital portal is letting you down. It's also essential we talk about third-party resources for a second. When you're searching for records online, you will inevitably bump into third-party data aggregators, places like People Connect. Now, while these can sometimes complement your official search, you have got to be incredibly careful. Always verify their accuracy against the official county systems. And you absolutely must understand that data pulled from these sites is heavily regulated by the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It is completely illegal to use these unofficial third-party records to establish creditworthiness, make employment decisions, or screen tenants, and they can literally never be used for stalking. Basically, keep your research ethical and legal. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. While we aim to provide accurate and up-to-date information, this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. For specific inquiries or legal guidance, consult with a qualified professional. Well, we've covered a tremendous amount of ground today, from understanding the differences between the district and county clerks to mastering wildcard searches like a pro. You now literally hold the keys to the county's digital filing cabinet. So I have to ask, what fascinating historical records or crucial pieces of public information will you uncover first? The records are yours to explore, dive in, use these transparency tools confidently, and happy searching.